Hello, everyone. I'm Alicia, and this is Julio over at Studio Suite. Welcome to the blog. If this is your first time, make sure you're checking out the rest of the blogs that we've posted in past weeks and into the future weeks. We post once a week, and each video just has a different demo of different modules and features within the Studio Suite software. So in this specific video, Julio, you are going to be showing us the production and projects module within Studio Suite, and I'll turn it right over to you.
Perfect, Alicia. Thank you. Let's go ahead and get started. Again, for those of you who are new to Studio Suite, this is a home interface where you can see all of the projects that are happening today. And we can also see a list of events associated with these projects, along with tasks and follow-ups right here on the bottom. So today we're talking about productions and projects. So a production in Studio Suite is really simple to understand. So I like to give two quick examples. One is with Ozark. So you can think of the entire production as the Ozark, and each episode would be a project in Studio Suite. So that's one way to look at it. If you're looking at it from a music or album perspective, then you can think of the entire album as the production, and each song in the production would be a project in Studio Suite. So pretty much a production is a big container for projects in Studio Suite. So I think that hopefully simple enough. And right here we have our projects module. So this is what our project list would look like. And if we open up a project, we get our standard line items. We can add new resources from here. So as part of your resources, you can create any of these groups that make sense to you. It could be equipment, rooms, people, groups of engineers, groups of editors, meals, taxes, anything you can imagine. So you can grab your resources from here. You can look for different categories. You can also type in manually for whatever resource you're looking for. And then you can assign people to your project. And it's really simple. It's just like that. And there's automatic notifications. So if you have those enabled for any of your people or your resources, then they would get an automatic email letting them know that they've been booked on a project. So that in a nutshell is the project management. Oh, and actually I wanted to show you really quick. This is one of the new features in Studio Suite, which is our Gantt chart. And it's really helpful as well in terms of project management. A lot of our clients requested it, so here it is. This allows you to create dependencies between different tasks. So if I move one, all of the dependent tasks move along as well. So we can see that, how that happens really easy over here. And now that I've shown you that, I'll wrap it up and I'll send it back to you, Alicia. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Julio. So thank you so much for showing us both the projects and production module within Studio Suite and that Gantt chart. As you said, a lot of your customers wanted that. You had heard from them, and that's why you guys implemented it. And it's very beneficial for you if you're managing your studio. So make sure, if you're interested, you visit studiosuite.com. You can set up a one-on-one demo of the rest of the Studio Suite software, just so you can dive in a little bit more into the specifics of what you would be looking for your studio management. And if you have any questions at all, make sure you're also reaching out by phone or sending an email to sales@studiosuite.com. Thanks again, Julio.
Thank you so much, Alicia.